Hi everyone, dear sweet little babies, you are looking so smart. Okay, here let's start our English class. Yes, can you say the name of our story? We have discussed in the last class. Can you say? Yes, Bruno the puppy, the naughty puppy. Am I correct? Yes, our puppy. See the puppy? Yes. Can you say where is the puppy now? No, yes, puppy is missing. Yes, naughty puppy. What's Sachin doing? Who is Sachin? Yes, Bruno's master. This is Sachin's pet. Am I correct? Yes. Sachin is searching puppy here and there. Okay, everywhere. What did Sachin do? Can you say where did Sachin go? Last class we heard about it. Can you say? At first? Yes, near the woman. Then went to the park. Then went to a boy. Then to a shop. Means near a balloon seller. Yes. This much we have discussed. Yes? Okay. Now, where is Sachin? Sachin is standing near the balloon seller. And Sachin is asking the balloon man, Uncle, did you see my pup? And the balloon man is very angry. He said, Is it your puppy? Naughty puppy, it spoiled my balloon. Then Sachin said, Sorry uncle, poor puppy, can you please say where did it go? Then the balloon man said, It ran to the vegetable shop. You go and search it. Okay, then now let's see what's happening in the vegetable shop. Now where is puppy? Where is puppy? Yes, puppy is in the vegetable shop. What's puppy doing there? Come on, let's see what's puppy doing in the vegetable shop. Come with me, my dear children. And puppy is playing in the vegetable shop, running here and there. Naughty puppy, running here and there. And it saw some potatoes. And then puppy went to the potatoes and pushed it. The potatoes fell down. And then went near the pumpkin and jumped over the pumpkin and sat on the pumpkin. And then puppy saw a box full of tomatoes. And puppy went to the box and jumped over the box. And what happened to the tomatoes? Yes, the tomatoes fell down and the tomatoes scattered on the floor. And now the shopkeeper, the vegetable seller, is watching it. And he said, Hey, naughty puppy, I will kill you. Get lost. And he took a stick. And get lost. Get off from my shop. And puppy ran away from the shop. Okay? What did puppy do? What did puppy do?